how to switch your account to a professional business account on Twitter PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to twitter.com. This is the home page. Now go right here, click on your profile. As you can see, now after you click on your profile, go here, click on edit profile. Now scroll down and click on switch to professional and click agree and continue. Now choose your category. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, education. Click next. Choose business or creator. Now click next. As you can see, now right here you can pick topics to follow, customize your account, and many other features. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.